Yeah, that's a nice sound. No check engine light. The water that's dripping into the door panel is causing this thing because it's evaporating and the whole car gets замогли. So this issue needs to be fixed because the windows get fogged easily, and that's not good for driving. I cannot see anything on the road, so we need to address that. I have decided to give the car to a professional car detailer to clean the inside. I was going to do that, but winter is here. I have no time to do it. I have no space to do it, so let the professionals do that. So here are some details. You can see this is a gray leather, but it has so much dirt in it that it's kind of disgusting. It's everywhere, even on the back seats. So probably it was never deep cleaned since 2004, and this is my doing. Some pretzel, and yeah. So I have this car for a year now, and there was a lot of issues with it, but I have managed to pull off most of it. The car was misfiring, it was smoking really bad. Later I found out that there is no catalytic converter on the exhaust. It was quite a mess. The hood was not painted, the grills were zip tied, so a lot of stuff was wrong with this car. Right side fender was silver, but the car is gray. So there was a lot of time, lot of money, and lots of work put into this vehicle. So I think I'm satisfied with the progress because it's all do it yourself, and there was a lot of issues, and most of them are gone now. So this will be the wrap up for the end of the year. I'm going to just take it to the car detailer, and we're gonna finish this year clean. So the plan for the next year, I have some M Sport springs, lowering springs. So the suspension is going to get all new parts. I have a rear M Sport bumper, so I'm going to paint that and install it. I found a tow hook, and it was quite cheap, but the installation cables were cut, and that's quite, I don't know. I'm not an electrician, and I don't think I could pull out that so easily. Jesus, it's cold. I'm shaking. Then I searched a bit about retrofitting a hook, and what do you know? There is a separate module for the parking sensors, which I have, and the car that the hook is from don't have parking sensors. So that's a big of a issue to put something, and when you put it in reverse, the parking sensors go mad because you have a trailer behind you. No, I'm not going to do that just to do it. So I'm gonna skip this tow hook and gonna find the tow hook that came from the vehicle that had parking sensor with both of the modules. First module is the controller of signalization, and the second one is for parking sensors. Yeah, I have ordered a pre-sewed leather cover for the M Sport steering wheel, because this one is pretty bad. It's teared here. It's coming off on this side, so there's a tear also here. So this needs to be refined, and I'm just waiting for the leather to come, so I'll make a video. Also, I'm looking for gray leather sport seats, only fronts. At first I'm gonna try to find a decent gray leather M Sport seats, but if I don't manage to find them, I'm just gonna buy whatever upholstery and just get them done to gray later. And the M52 swap is going to be delayed for now because I have fixed this the valve stem seals, and I don't really have a problem with the engine anymore. It's running perfectly fine. There are no oil leaks anymore, only the oil pan. I have the gasket, but I don't have time or the place to do that right now. And that's it. I don't know. I have so many plans with this car, and it needs a lot of work, but generally I am satisfied with this car. I'm happy to have it, I'm happy to drive it, and I don't have any resentments for buying it or owning it. I really do like this car. So I got this vapor barrier yesterday. No, it was the day before yesterday, and I called the guy. He said he has this part, so I came to his place and he was disassembling the door, and when he disassembled it, he noticed that it was all teared up. So I bought it anyway because I don't have time to search for a better piece. I need this right now because I have a pull in my door panel. So I bought some duct tape, and as you can see, there are many places where it has been broken, and I have managed to assemble it to be one piece. This all was a separate piece. There were small pieces missing, like here. I glued them up back in their place. Here there was a small piece missing, but I'm gonna install this. I'm not going to have a pull inside my door panel anymore, and I'm not going to have fogged up windows, so it will be safer to drive. So let's install this to the vehicle. It has some broken tabs here, and this one is missing, so I'll order the new ones. So I took most of it out. Now I need to unscrew the battery and remove the airbag. Okay, I'm just gonna use this duct tape on the edges because I don't have this rubber sealant glue something. Okay, let's get the duct tape. This is the closest I ever been to owning a pool. Yeah. Maybe I should connect the battery to see if it explodes. Nope, still here. As you can see, I need to change the slider on the window regulator. The plastic deteriorates and the sliding sliding part gets chewed. Hey, Komic. And that's it. I have these. We're gonna paint them matte black as well. These are the cube trims. This was a gift from a friend 5, 6, 7 years ago for my previous touring. This came from a UK vehicle, so he didn't have a full set for left-hand drive, so he gave me only these. This one looks this one's pretty scratched, so I'm gonna address that somehow. I don't know how, but it's not the rear one, it's the front one, whatever.